Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of Makeup Masterclass. Now you all know that Eid is right around the corner, so I created this really easy and quick makeup look for this Eid. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this look, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.